Welcome to the How to Delete Pages tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to delete pages on your website. To delete a page, first log into your website's backend. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Pages menu tab on the left side of the screen. Now, the Pages dashboard will appear. Hover over a page's title and click on Trash to quickly delete the page. This will add the page to the trash, where you'll have 30 days to remove it from the trash, otherwise it'll be permanently deleted. To permanently delete, click on the Trash tab and click on Permanently Delete when hovering over the page's title. You've now learned how to delete a page on your website.